Hi guys, welcome to Very Girly of Us. This is Shreya.
And this is Shrini.
Today we are talking about Lemonita,
Appleina, Banana Nito,
Strawberryna,
and
what else?
Blueberryna.
Blueberryna. Oh
And
my
if you
god,
understand any of these names,
just like
you
us.
need help. And we also need help.
But
We
I have to
agree.
say the names are kind of cute.
They're cute, but they're very uncreative, I feel.
They're
And
very uncreative. That's why they're so cute. It's like the storybook kids
yeah.
textbook names.
Yeah.
My favorite
And,
is Strawberryna.
and
I
I think
think.
it's so easy to understand.
Yeah.
And I think all these characters have now developed a personality.
Okay,
Like
I don't know enough.
So I have been watching it not so much, but I've been watching it significantly, and I know Thora backline story, everything. And Strawberry is always this innocent one, I feel, and the men are always like betraying, cheating, and all of
Yeah.
that. I think that's just a men characteristic they have captured, and the women are always shown as
So either they're like super innocent and pristine, or they're like bitchy.
I've only seen 1-2 reels of that bitchy one, but the most of them are very innocent, I feel. And the guys are completely opposite. They are like real alpha male, misogynistic type of vibe, I feel.
Yeah.
And it's slop. It's
Of
AI
course
slop.
It's brain rot. It's brain rot max. And what does it even mean? Like,
It
I think
doesn't
the
mean
first era
anything.
of brain rot slop came when we had those kitten meow
Yeah.
videos.
I used to love them though.
I used to love them. The first time
I
I saw
think-
it, I was like deeply invested
Yeah.
because that was also the first time we saw it, and it was cats. So I was like, okay, cute. And they actually had very cute storylines.
And
They had like very.
there was no like all of them were different and all of them were very I hate to say it, but they were like stronger characters rather than these. Like I think these are very cookie cutter representation of a man, I feel.
Yeah,
that
very,
they
I
have
think,
done.
conservative also.
Very conservative
Very
in a
misogynistic,
sense.
conservative.
And this is the
This is
kind
what
of content
leads me to think that this is all just propaganda instead of like rather like large any content.
Yeah.
There was this whole thing, right, that 2016 was trending again because
Yeah,
they needed data for
For the 2016
basically,
data to
and to
train
just
it
basically
and
how people's
Uh-huh.
face and features evolve. There are so many things that just when we had that whole anime Studio Ghibli trend,
Yeah.
it was a way to collect data. Then we had those picture your boyfriend or girlfriend. That was also one. Like
There's
trend.
so many trends, and this one is like a rather big one, I would say, because there are so many Instagram pages. There's this one page which apparently gained like 3.3 million followers in a few days.
3 days.
3 days, they got 1 million, but overall in a
Yeah.
month or so, it's crazy
Yeah.
how free people are. I feel
Yeah.
it's crazy how people are willing to watch anything and everything,
Yeah.
including me, including
Yeah.
myself.
Hmm.
But it's just so addictive. It's like that cocoa melon that
For
kids,
kids,
and it's
yeah.
like that for adults. It's crazy how addicting. Have you watched any one of them though?
No, not really. I have no. I've seen like one or two. That is when I saw those Indian ones first. I think the sabzi, the pyaz gajar one.
So there's
Initially
this Hari
one.
Mirch and but somehow they
No, I have not seen that one. The one you're talking about, I have not
Oh.
seen that one. I just saw it when we were researching right
Uh-huh.
now. I have not. I have seen I think like weeks ago when it was very new, and I just
Okay.
didn't impress me, so it didn't like even come on my feed.
So I think I think the first time I saw this AI characters, it was for an architectural thing where this guy's like, "मैं मकराना marble हूँ," and then he's saying कि this is durable. And
I have
इसका
seen skincare version of that
I've
as a joke.
also seen a vegetable. He's like, मैं बनाना हूँ, मुझे खा के potassium मिलता है. So I have seen all of these, and these were the starting ones, and now it has
I've seen that मैं
transformed.
hyaluronic acid हूँ, but I saw it as a joke.
What?
That one girl is like that. How did you learn about skincare? So she plays that
Oh,
reel.
got it,
I've
got
not
it.
actually see. I didn't even know that skincare is being like people are using
There's
that
a
to educate
whole thing,
themselves. Which is fine as long as the content is accurate. I just feel it's fine. But the easier thing, instead of generating this thoughtless,
Yeah, got
stupid
it.
videos that consume so much, data, electricity, water.
Yeah.
You can just read. There's an art. Like there's so much content already on skincare
I
benefits.
saw
Why do you
that,
need like
you
a
know,
hyaluronic acid ka water droplet telling you all this?
In fact, I saw this. Someone commented that this Love Fruit Island thing.
Yeah.
It's reality TV, but nothing in it is real. Like it's so ironic that it's a reality TV parody, and nothing
you know
is
what?
real.
The Bachelorette, it's very famous.
Yeah.
So it was on, I think, 10th, 9th or something like that season, and that got cancelled this year. So
And people are
actual
watching this.
shows are getting cancelled.
Bro,
So
like,
that got cancelled because of some star controversy also. It's not
okay.
only because of that.
Yeah, yeah.
But the point is that, that got cancelled and this is taking off, which is kind of crazy.
I think generally these short series are going to be a big thing.
Yeah.
Apparently, I am not able to remember which movie it was. Some Instagram page, I think some big brand like Disney or something, they posted the whole movie in the form of shorts on YouTube.
I told me I can't remember which.
I don't remember, and people have watched it. That's
Yeah.
insane. I mean, it's just crazy to me that they've
Yeah.
watched the whole movie
Yeah.
in that whole thing in just reel format. It's
Yeah.
weird.
The like TV, like real series are so popular now with, from the prominent ones being Career Ladder,
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
You Okay? There are like a million ones and they are actually good. I'm not comparing them to slop at all. But they're actually good. I think
They're
real
truly
series
good.
are the next big thing. There are so many series now.
Yeah.
Almost in every, be it in skincare, fashion, luxury, comedy, everywhere series are everything.
But I don't think the issue is with the okay,
Series and
obviously.
format.
Yeah,
I think the
I think
thing is
short
like
form content is
why
obviously like long
now
form.
it's now standard.
Yeah, if you're watching long form, it's better, but it's inevitable. But watching this as short form is a bit concerning as a society. I feel
Don't
literally.
steal my line.
It is. It's because they have taken the worst parts of reality. Like if you watch Big Boss, you're watching it for the fights mainly. Everyone is. They have put that whole fight angle to it. They have only put that fight angle to it. There's no other story. They're
Yeah.
just watching. People are commenting. People are so involved. They're in like banana nito is. I hate banana nito. I
Yeah.
love strawberry.
Yeah.
It's too much. I
So
think.
I think there's also that, thing that people who are maybe slightly more, aware of the harmful effects of AI, like everyone on the surface knows that AI is not the best thing.
Yeah.
But people who are like more concerned about arts and, copyright being stolen, maybe just who are sort of more informed on culture, content, and things
Yeah.
like that might care more. So I read this very interesting comment, that after a 10 or 9 hour shift, someone's coming back home. For them, if they're watching like a soap opera, this is the equivalent of just doing that. They don't like really care about how it was made. It's just entertainment for them.
Yeah.
Which is true. I mean, after I come home, I also watch something dumb. But
Dumb,
the level
mindless.
of content, the benchmark that we're setting is also very important.
Like when I come after, like I want to watch something lighthearted.
Yeah,
Is my
definitely.
go-to.
Yeah.
It's not. I can't watch like Breaking Bad or something. I need lighthearted, and I usually go to sitcoms for that. But if I'm going to this,
Yeah, but that's what I'm
it's
saying. Like, that
that bar
benchmark is going
yeah,
down
yeah.
every day.
And I also feel that you're watching this on your phone. It's very convenient. Like if I am watching a show, I prefer to watch it on my laptop.
Yeah.
You're watching this on your phone, so it's so accessible. You can watch it in the metro. You can watch it on the way to work. You can watch it on the way back home. You're consuming so much of it throughout the day, and not just after office. Also, I feel there are so many reels that when you're sitting in office and watching the Fruit Island love story, but then your boss gives you some work.
Yeah.
So it's not like people are just consuming it at home. I feel. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
it's
No,
being
no,
consumed
people are consuming it.
every time.
Yeah, but there's also this like holier than thou mentality, which is something that I said that I don't watch this.
Yeah.
But it just didn't like land on my feed. I have not even seen this content on my feed. I didn't even know it was becoming such a big thing. Like
Yeah.
I read a couple of articles about it, then I was like, wait, this is like a thing. And I had to
Yeah.
like, and now it's on my feed because I did like so much research. But
Yeah. I think it's
I was
more
like
popular
shocked.
on like TikTok and
Yeah.
Reels pe also. But
Yeah.
you have to watch a reel once or twice for it to come.
Correct.
Yeah. And you know
But what do you think about this attitude that I'm smart? I'm smarter than you if I
So I
don't
think
watch it.
that is always a thing. Even now, I think now that we've talked about going offline so many times, and people I think who say we're going offline, they also think that we are a bit superior.
People have to read their Instagram and deactivate their Instagram account every other week.
They're like, what's your Instagram? I don't use Instagram actually. So they also have the superiority complex that we are better, I feel. And this obviously falls into.
So, for example, when the whole cat meow thing was trending, I didn't feel that I was dumbing myself down to watch it because it was new at the time.
Yeah.
And I was involved in it. So I was like, oh my god, how have you not seen? It's all over everywhere. It's so cute. But now I'm just like, why are you watching that?
Yeah.
So it's a change in like if you are a viewer, you won't like really care. Like I was very into it. People hated on that also, right? Like even Cat Slop was being hated on a lot if you think about it.
I don't think it was dumbing you down because I feel
No, that's because we were watching it. If you like go and research like things, people were like hating equally on that, dumb cat reels, dumb meow.
I
and things
remember we
like that.
also made a few.
Yeah. So I'm just saying that, like where's the line? Like if you're watching it, it's good. If you're not watching it, it's great. It's bad.
Yeah.
So that is what it's so like subjective and so like convenient for
I think
people
it's
to.
okay to watch it, but you have to know when to stop. Like you cannot watch the whole Love Island 15 episode on your phone at once. I think that's where you should draw the line. Watching a reel or two should be okay,
But
I
I think
think.
the whole concept of just creating content like that is just horrible, right? Because so much,
Yeah.
it's so horrible for the environment, and most of
Environment.
these messagings and most of these storylines are very sort of regressive.
They are. All the characters, that's what I was saying, all the male characters are so alpha male vibe they've given to
Yeah,
them.
it feels
And
like propaganda. It feels like
yeah,
conservative propaganda, to be honest.
yeah. They
And
can,
watching them is just like losing like brain cells.
yeah, it's like, that, it's like then kids are watching all of this. This whole conversation which was around Andrew Tate, the kids are watching him. It also applies to this. Kids are watching, they're like fruit and they're thinking it's funny, but
Yeah,
it's
but this is
this
what
is
how you're
getting
shaping,
ingrained.
you know.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
So I don't
It's
think it's a good
definitely,
thing. I mean, watch like one, yeah. But the problem is that if one goes successful, people make 20
yeah.
slop
I
accounts.
mean,
There
obviously,
are like a million accounts
if
already,
we
I
were
guess.
in that place, we would also do it. It went viral, let's make more. And people are watching it, so it's obviously a tricky line.
I'm pretty
where-
sure every country has their versions of it, right? Like
Yeah,
we in
yeah.
India have. I'm guessing like almost all
And
countries
in
might have
fact,
their
at one point,
versions.
so many of these famous brands also did their own version, like
Right.
AI character, not the specific fruit thing, but they did something like with, like if it's, let's say, Zepto, they probably did it with the snacks and all. I'm just giving Zepto as an example, but I remember seeing brands. Google did it.
Okay.
I remember
Oh,
Google
yeah, I
did
think
it. It was such a cute, innocent little potato, I think, or something. But everyone is doing it. Theirs was not as brain rot, I think. This is
I mean, that is because the brand is doing it.
Yeah.
So when a brand does it, you know it's a one time, two time,
It's a
10 time
one-time
thing.
thing,
Because
yeah.
a brand, you will not get obsessed with them. You know it's
Yeah.
marketing. But with like a random account, posting it does get sort of,
But I
you do
feel this
end up
will
investing.
eventually die out, I'm
It
sure.
will die out, but the problem is it will be replaced by some other trend. We have
Yeah.
had cats, we have had fruits. There's going to be something else next
Yeah.
time. So
Probably
the
gonna be
problem is not
animals
like
or-
fruit slop; it's just slop in general.
Yeah.
And I don't
agree.
think slop is going anywhere, unfortunately.
So there is some trend or the other which is AI related, specific, each week or month or something, and it's crazy how many AI trends have been there.
Yeah.
Put your image in ChatGPT and see how it represents you. What's some random shit which I have done ek do bari, but I won't do it again because that's the point. But the AI has definitely taken over us. I mean, there's nothing to deny in that at this
Yeah.
point. You
But-
just have to be conscious, I feel.
But yeah, I think, but
Yeah, slop
fruit
is
slop.
real.
I mean, never
Fruit-
thought these words would form a sentence.
Yeah.
How AI fruit slop is destroying
Yeah,
our brains.
who would have thought fruit would be in this sentence at all?
Like poor fruits are getting, hated on.
Yeah,
like,
oh my
it's
god,
the
this
dear-
reminds me that there's an Indian version, not of fruits, but of like chole bhature.
Oh,
And
okay.
apparently there's chola kulcha or mutton, something, and then the bhatura cheats on the chola, and people are like, अब मैं छोले भटूरे नहीं खाऊंगा. I will only eat bhatura. I won't eat chola. Some people have gone crazy, bro. It's insane.
My God.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
But yeah, let us know what you think about this fruit AI slop, and if you enjoy it, what's your favorite reel? I would like to watch one or two. And yeah, that's all. Let us know.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay,
Please
bye.
like, share, subscribe. Bye.